Let's practice telling time to the 5 minutes. When I'm reading a clock, the first thing I want to do is label the hands on the clock. Notice that we have a long hand and our short hand. Which one of these is the minute hand? Oh, remember, a minute hand is the long hand. So I'm going to put an M next to this one. Minute hand, which makes this little hand the hour hand. Let's go ahead and label the hands on our clock. One of the ways that we talked about remembering the hands is that we have Mama hand and Baby Henry hand. The baby is always shorter than the Mama hand. Just a little way to help remember them. Okay, now when we are reading a clock, we want to read the hour hand first. So let's look at the short clock hand. Remember yesterday we talked about some strategies that we could use to read the hour hand. We need to look at where the hour hand is pointing and see whose space that is. So the hour hand is pointing here. Whose space is this? Who does this space belong to? Or another strategy we used was hooking the hour, where we would draw a hook to go back and hook the hour. Either way, we can see that the hour that this clock is showing is 7. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down on the hour side. Of us telling the time on this clock. Okay, here we go. Step 2 is to read the minute hand. Here's my minute hand. Look at the long hand, and we're going to start at the top of our clock and count by 5s until we get to right here. Remember that when we count by 5s, we go from dark line to dark line, dark line to dark line. So here we go. Let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. 20. All right. So I can tell right here that this clock shows 7:20. Let's practice some more. Okay. First thing I need to do is label the hands on my clock. Which one is my minute hand? That's right, the Mama minute hand is the long one. And then we have our Baby Henry hand. Okay. All right, let's read the hour first. This time, instead of using the hook, I'm going to look at the space. So I can tell that this hand is going into this space here, the space between the 5 and the 6. Who does that space belong to? Who owns that space on the clock? The 5, that's right. So I know that this clock is showing the hour of 5. I'm going to write that down and put our colon to separate the hours and the minutes. Okay, now I need to count my minute hand. Remember that we're going to start at the top of the clock and skip count by 5s until we get to where that minute hand is pointing. Remember that we skip count by 5s by going from dark line to dark line. Here we go. 5, 10. Oh, let's write that down so we don't forget. Okay, so this clock is showing that it is 5:10. All right, let's keep practicing. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, looking at this clock here, where is my minute hand and my hour hand? Mama minute hand is always the long one. And Baby Henry the hour hand. I always want to label those so that if I make a mistake reading my clock, my teacher knows where to help me. Okay, which hand do I read first? Oh, right, the hour hand. This time, let's hook the hour. So I'm going to go with my hour hand and I'm going to hook back. Oh, when I hook back to the number what? 6. That's right. So I know that the hour on this clock is showing 6 something. Okay. Now I want to read my minute hand. My minute hand goes all the way out here. But can I just start reading my minutes here? No. Remember that we have to start at the very top of our clock and count by 5s going all the way around. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Oh, wow. I'm going to write that so I don't forget. So by looking at this clock and what I have labeled, I can tell that the time for this clock is 6:55. Awesome job. Let's try one more together. Here we go. Let's label our hands. Mama, long hand, right? And the baby Henry hour hand. All right, here we go. Which one do I read first? Oh, that's right. I read the baby Henry hour hand. Here we go. Oh, this hour hand is really close to that 12. But has it gotten to the 1 yet? No. Let's look at whose space that hand is in. It's between here and here. Whose space is that? Who owns this space? The 12 does. You're right. So I know that my hour is going to be 12. All right, so let's count our minutes now. I know I need to stop when I get right here. I'm going to start at the top of my clock and count by 5s. Here we go. 5. Well, that didn't take very long. 5. Now remember, when we're writing 5 like 5 minutes, we have to write 0, 5 because we need 2 digits for our minutes. Always, always. Okay, here we go. So I know by doing the strategies that I did here that the time that this clock is showing is 12:05 or 5 minutes after 12. All right, guys. I want you guys to see if you can do these 3 clocks, and then we'll check them together. Remember to show your strategies and do your very best. And if you need help, it's okay.